Hello and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today's recipe I'm going to share with all of y'all strawberry stuffed French toast. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this full of strawberry flavor. And this is great to serve for breakfast or brunch any time of the year. This is also perfect for National Strawberry Month. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Classic Brunch Mimosas. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your bread, your strawberries, and get your griddle heating up sugar because we're about to cook some strawberry stuffed French toast magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our strawberries. On my cutting board, I have my fresh strawberries and I rinsed them. We're going to dice them up. So we're going to take my knife and we're going to cut the tops and dice them into medium-sized pieces. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish dicing the rest of my strawberries and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through dicing my strawberries and in total we have 1/4 cup, and off camera I place them into my small bowl. Now we're going to set this aside while we work on our cream cheese filling. In my small bowl I have a 1 8-ounce carton of whipped cream cheese that I let come to room temperature. And into our cream cheese, we're going to add in our diced strawberries and 2 tablespoons of honey. And give it a quick stir until it's well blended. Alrighty, and just that quickly, our strawberry cream cheese filling is complete. Now we're going to set this aside while we make the custard. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 4 extra large eggs, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of table salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract, and 1 cup of 1/2 and 1/2, which is half milk, half heavy cream. Give it a whisk until it's well combined. Alrighty, I am through making the custard. Now we are ready to make our French toast. On my cutting board, I have my bread. I'm using 12 slices of Texas toast, or you can use brioche, sourdough, or French bread. Make sure it's thick bread. You don't want to use regular bread. Time to stuff it. So we're going to take one of our bread slices, and we're going to take some of the cream cheese filling and spread it all over, just like you were making a sandwich. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my sandwiches, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've got all my sandwiches together. Now we are ready to cook them. So I'm about to heat up my griddle, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've got my griddle nice and hot, and you can also cook these in a skillet. So I'm going to add some butter, or you can spray it with cooking spray, and I'm going to spread it all over the griddle. All right, here we go. So we're going to take a sandwich and dunk it in the custard and shake off the excess and flip it on the other side. And again, shake off the excess and place it onto a hot griddle. And just repeat the process. Oh, it smells so good up in this kitchen. I can smell the cinnamon and the vanilla and the strawberry extract. So now we're going to let them cook on one side for 4 minutes. All right, my friends, it's been 4 minutes. Let's take a look. Gorgeous! Beautiful. They're nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to let them finish cooking on the other side for another 4 minutes. And then I'll cook the rest of my French toast and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I am through cooking my French toast and I placed one onto my plate. Now it is time to build it. We're going to cut the sandwich in half like so. Look at that yummy filling. Oh, that looked good. So I'm going to place this half right on top. Now I'm going to dust some powdered sugar, a little drizzling of maple syrup, a dollop of fresh whipped cream, some fresh sliced strawberries, and some whole strawberries on the side. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Strawberry stuffed French toast. Doesn't that look good? My mama is going to love it. I'm about to serve it to her. Hello, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Brittany, for this wonderful breakfast.
It's my pleasure. I made you strawberry stuffed French toast.
Ooh, I'm going to taste it right now.
Okie dokie. Let me know what you think.
Okay. Mmm. Oh, my God.
Delicious?
Yes, it is.
All right. You like the strawberry cream cheese filling in the middle?
Yes, I like it all.
That's good.
Well, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Love you.
I love you, too.
Enjoy.
Okay.
My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Much love and happy Mother's Day.